Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is Windows cannot find myHP DesktopExtension.exe. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix it, make a right click on the start menu and then open Task Manager. Now once you open Task Manager, at the top here you can see search option. In the search you can type in myHP. Now, if you find myHP, in my case, I don't have this, but when you type in myHP, if you see myHP, you can just make a right click. You can just expand it. Once you expand it, you will see DesktopExtension.exe. So if you find DesktopExtension.exe, you can make a right click and then click on End Task, and that should fix the error. If you don't find myHP, you can just type in desktop extension. So find desktop extension. If you find it, you can make a right click and then you can end the task. Once you end the task, you should not receive the error, and you might have to repeat this process whenever you restart your computer. You can check, you may have to repeat this process or you may not have to. So that should fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.